Good morning, everyone. Good evening, as usually. Having a lovely day. How are you doing? How do you feel today? Look at that. We're ready, guys. We're ready for a sunny Thursday. We're ready to smash the market, attack the bears, and hate those little targets today. $175,000 for the giveaways. This is where we are. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. 240s on the Nasdaq. How do you feel today? You feel like winners today? That's juicy. Oh, that's great, guys. Look at that. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers and let's increase the enthusiasm. Increase the enthusiasm. 175. Prop firm giveaways. We got a lovely day out here, enjoying the deep summer times. Oh, we're gonna hit the floor today. That's my expected performance, to hit the floor today. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. What do we gotta do? We gotta invite people on stream. Pretty much all the trading groups. You'd like to notify them. Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, whatever and whoever has anything to deal with trading should not miss a minute. Should not miss a minute. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. We're gonna get started to perform with our deep chart on FundedSeat. I like to trade those 3 heavy $155,000 account plus the 4th one alone. I'm gonna set up my copy trader for that. We've got 4 accounts on 150,000 sitting at 155. The target is 6%, so that's 159. And we have 5 accounts of 50K. We made $700 yesterday. And we're going to continue to do so. FundedSeat, no consistency, no target, daily payouts. There's a whole lot of the things there. Flex accounts is what we're trading, but you got the flex and the daily payouts. Good evening, good day. Look at that. Scramble coupon code maximum discount 60% off first purchase, then 50. Going quite aggressive with 5 minutes here long with a possibility of a slight explosion. Slight explosion, liquidity grabbing exercise here if the supply on 250s is not going to be applied. If we find room above this, we're going to have a good time. Oh, the profit has been hit 1,256, guys. Look at that. Scrambos and fire. Where are the fireworks? Come on, you damn fireworks. There you go. 1,256. This is the way you can smell the trades and execute. Boom. 3 accounts, single parent with 2 child, 156, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. This is getting so difficult. So difficult. What's the strategy? Might be wondering, right? The strategy is always to make some bucks. Some little bucks out here for the longs. We've been dumping sufficiently. And I'm sick and tired of the bears. So I want to push my I like to push the price action with my prop firm liquidity. Can I do that? Can I push the price action, guys, in the right direction with my prop firm liquidity? I think that's a very important exercise. The strategy is price action making money and giving the... Alright. We got some of the green tea running around here. Wow. What's wrong with you? There you go. So that's the strategy, making some bucks. Pennies on the dollars today. Why would I rush? Look at that. A good scalp, 1,256. A good scalping. We have 156,441. Which means we need 2,600 more. We can still make some more towards 2,800 today. That's kind of the maximum, or maybe around 3,000. Because of the consistency rate. Cheers, everyone. Have a good time drinking Japanese green tea. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Subscribe. Oh. Watching the levels here on 15 minute. I'm watching, you know, on hourly we touch 200 EMA purple line. On hourly. And there is a local support here for the hourly. We're going to fill up the gap between the current price action level 280s and the place where the resistance trending line is located. Could be around 360, 70, 80, 90s. Depends when you touch that, right? So I think we're going to fill up the gap. That trending line is a must to be touched. I'm going to test out a little short here from this supply. And I'm not going to be greedy. I'll take that 600 bucks. Beautiful, guys. $600 profit. Oh my gosh. We're 1,877. Boom. Have a good one. Cheers, everyone. I got 1,750 Ethereums loaded up this week. Spot trading. So I'm having a good time there. Can push it one to 2,400. $10 seconds rule. For 50% of your profits, I made $600. $600 is not going to be 4,500. Which is 50% of 9,000. So 4,500. There you go. That's easy. Plus another thing, in Hungary, each second is not taking that long. It's less in timing. Cheers, everyone. Oh, yeah. I'm longing 5 minutes here. Come on. Look at that. I'm out. $500, 2,373. Lovely. 12 AC, did you count in my seconds? Oh, lovely. 2,373. in 7-8 minutes since we started on 3 accounts. We were copy trading. You see the advantage of doing copy trading? Can you smell that? We need 1,500 more, and I'm not going to trade on this accounts anymore. 1,500, and we get this funded. That's just unbelievable, guys. Look at that. 1,500 more, and we transform this big belly accounts into funded ones. And then you're going to see me cashing out daily. But they're flexes. I can't do cash out daily. They're flexes. Not an issue, guys. Trash bags with cash. Oh my gosh. Are you guys using a lot of cash? Or you go by the credit cards? What are you using, guys? So we have a $2,400 profit here, which is not good to start that green, guys. Yes, I'm having the flex accounts at the moment, but we're going to try the daily ones too. You know, looks like the random clicking. Oh, look at that juice. I'm not going to trade this one anymore. We're going to trade the other. I'm going to long it here. The other 150,000. The fourth one. This is traded alone. This is not copy traded. We should go back in that wick. I'm 10 minutes long here, guys. 10 minutes long. Ha ha ha. We're 1,000. The next candle. Let's see, guys. Next candle. Next candle. I needed green. 10 minis long. This candle has to be green. And get all the way back below 300. 297. And I'm out. There's no reason to get cooked here. This is bullish, guys. Stop loss break even. Let's make some money. Ha ha ha. I'm selling. I sold basically 6 contracts. And I'm leaving the rest of it open. We're trailing in profit. We're sitting back, enjoying the juice, and making the profits. $9.32, guys. Celebration time, let me tell you. Celebration, $9.32. That's not to be underestimated. Not to be underestimated. They say I'm randomly clicking. You know, it must be a glitch, right? Oh. Not too bad. If you got $100, which prop firm should you buy for fastest, easiest payouts? Well, Lucid Flex accounts, 50,000. 50,000 Lucid Flex. No consistency and target on the funded stage. Right, let me drop you the link. Maximum discount right there with a Scrambo code. 50,000 Lucid Flex. 6% is your evaluation. you have no activation fee, 6% evaluation, and then you don't have consistency on target. 50% consistency on the evaluation stage. You got paid in 15 minutes. Not the worst price section, I can tell you. Not the worst. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to join our Discord community. You don't want to miss out. And you gotta be part of our Discord if you want to join the giveaways. $175,000 we're doing today. We're doing daily giveaways. Random clicking with expertise. Or this is a... accidentally making good decisions. Any new nurses? New nurses. I finished my bags of Ethereum. I'm fully loaded up. I can sit down right now. I was having difficult time deploying that money. 1,750. It was not easy. You also have the YRM, exactly. You also have the YRM for cheap accounts. YRM. Cheap accounts, exactly. I got some trades this week on KuCoin. Some spot trading. 530 to pass flex of 50k. Congratulations for that. You're not far away. What happened with my Ethereums? Those are still staying there. We're not in the best situation with that. Market retraced. Completely retraced, and I deployed more and more capital. The BTC trade is looking much better. Look at that, guys. This is moving. We're also, for our trade of a Tap 1 futures, $1,400 away to make this one funded. So we have a very good chance today to go funded. YRM is slow on the payouts. Slow. It's still slow on the payouts. Nothing changed. It's still slow. Yeah, it will pump soon. It will certainly pump soon. If not this year, in 2027 it will pump. It has no choice, right? YRM is basically very slow in payouts, so you have to be careful with that. Trump is not going to like today's price action. He has to reverse that, right? Interest in slow YRM payouts. Yes, you can wait until it goes better. Exactly. Not an issue. I think I'm going to call it a day here with 900 bucks. Right, so we have the 4 accounts, 150,000 traded, right? Those are all evaluations, as you can see. I'm going to start trading the 50,000 on Copy Trader right now. 5 accounts on 50,000. I know you guys like this copy trading method. Let's go with this 5 accounts. We made 736 yesterday. We got to do 3,000, right? Hmm. 400 points drop. When you can see 3,000, 4,000 points, the moment they want to trigger, you're gonna see it. I don't think the summer is gonna be following the same pattern of growth. I don't think that, guys. I believe in a deviation, distribution, short-term deviation, but then distribution on the macro scale. So yeah, we have this little downtrend here consisting what? Yesterday's high 807, today we're having today's low 164, so that's 650 points. This is the new volatility in between the days, 600, 400, 300 points. I do get the idea you have to deal more and more with micros. Micros do give you more flexibility on DCing in and out. Attention, DCing is a very good strategy if you have advanced knowledge of the price action connected conjunction with the DCA methodology. DCing out from a position is also having extreme benefits. You just have to recognize basically the possibilities of the overextended movement. The overextended movement that never recovers and it has 300, 400 points drop. DCing under those conditions, even DCing out is not going to be fun, right? So you need a brutal stop loss for those conditions, which usually do not happen every other day. And you can easily survive touching payouts and prop firms without touching those kind of segments of the market. Dollar cost averaging. Add to losers, add to winners, dollar cost averaging on both sides. Yes. Look at that. This is the 5-minute approach. There's so much space for the upside. 350s, I might test a little short there. We're gonna see. Right, so you can still survive with DCAs. They have instant funding. I'm gonna publish a video about their instant funding accounts. And I'm gonna grab some instant funding accounts after this. After the actual accounts are gone, the next one will be instant funded. I'm gonna grab. I'd like to share with you guys some crazy instant funding on FundedSeat. In the next video, I'm gonna publish early next week, or maybe even Sunday. I'm gonna have it scheduled. Next week we have no live streaming. From Monday to Friday, no live streaming. The whole next week I'm gonna be out in holiday, and I got videos filmed which will be published along with giveaways. Macros. Oh. Minis. You get to feel the energy. You get to feel alive with minis. It has great benefits. That's how 12AC is surviving his accounts for 20-30 seconds because of minis. Yeah. Oh, there you go. That could be the only way. If you do the live stream and take control of the $450,000 account, could be the only way to go bust, right? You're not gonna make accidentally good decisions like I do. You're gonna do $250 a day with that account. Oh my gosh. The only way we lose that 400k account, you want to do the math, how much money, 10 minis. There is one with 20%, the Bolt is the best. Rocket. The Bolt is the best. Because it has no consistency on the second cycle. There is one with 15%, there is the other one with, let me share with you guys, where is it? The Bolt, instant funding Bolt from FundedSeat. It has no consistency on the second stage. You're gonna get surprised. Which prop firm has $40,000 to $50,000 accounts? This one. Yeah, the 15% is not good. Not the FundedSeat Flex, but the FundedSeat Instant Funded Bolt. Let me show you that, guys. You haven't heard anything like that. So, everyone is going to this link in the chat right now. And you have instant funding. And then you have Bolt. Consistency only on the first stage. Then you have daily payouts from the second cycle, guys. That's insane. 12AC, listen to me. Consistency 20% on the first cycle, and then no consistency on the second cycle. Plus daily payouts on which on a freaking instant funded with a target of 5%. Not even 6%. So 5% target. And you can have 5 accounts. You can have 5 accounts. So 5 accounts. 5% target, consistency only on your first stage, and this is instant funding. FundedSeat, you got the link here. Oh my gosh. How many cycles before live? You can have about $20,000 payouts, and then you take your live 5 accounts with you. $20,000 around that one. Right, so about 2 payouts on all the 10 payouts totally. You can have 10 before you're getting moved to live. 10. So if you're running 5 accounts, you're taking 2 payouts from each, you're moving to live, and then you trade 5 accounts on live. 5 accounts on live. Yeah. Five accounts on live. If you lose your live accounts, you can repurchase evaluations. You can repurchase evaluations. Lucid is amazing, guys. Lucid is top notch. Yes, exactly. The live trading capital, I think it's 5 accounts of $2,000. So you get $10,000 on live. 5 accounts on 2,000 bucks each. If you got 5 ready to be moved to live. But you can have 5 ready to be moved to live. If you have 5 active and you got a payout from, you have at least 1 payout from each, then you're going to have them on live. 2,000 from each, 10,000 bucks to live with those. But if you lose them, you resume purchasing evaluations and make another round of lovely 20,000. Exactly, Rocket. Ha 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 ha. You can hear the kids next door. Oh, Solitude. Sorry to hear that. Phase number 1. Micros is the choice. Micros. Micros is the choice, guys. Let's continue trading. I'm testing out 4 minis here. I'm just testing, basically. Nah. I like to see a double tap on the 1 minute before we drop further. It's not looking good. What a silly trade. Wow. You know, I have a problem with this 50k accounts. I'm used to 150,000 for months. I use a trade copier that's integrated. Basically, the Volumetrica has an integrated copier. Quantower has an integrated copier. That was a bad trade, guys. I did expect it a double top somehow like this, right? Before it drops or continues higher, doesn't matter. We'll see. We'll see what's happening at this level. I'm also going to test out along from my Trade-Evade accounts where we only need 1,200 bucks to pass this evaluation and become funded. We're so close to become funded here, guys. Look at that. So close on becoming funded for our Trade-Evade Elite Daily accounts. Yeah, avoid minis. Solitude, you gotta avoid minis. I'm out of this trade, that's lovely. And probably I'm gonna be out of the other one too, because the entry is wrong. 136 profit. Lovely. Celebration time, especially for what we made on Trade-Evade right now. It is 647 bucks, guys, celebration time. So we still need $600. We need 106 totally. And we pass this evaluation. Elite Daily from Tablet Futures. Boom. That was a wrong entry I had for my FundedSeat. What made me try the 50,000? So, with FundedSeat, you can have 5 funded accounts. But there is a limit of maximum 3 of the sizing of 150,000. So you cannot have 5 of 150. You can have 3 out of 5 of 150. The other 2, if you got 150, must be a different sizing. So that's why. I want to have max funded. So besides the 350, I want to have some 50k. I'm going to switch over micros. For this accounts, guys. Let me switch over micros. Lovely. I'll switch to micros. Testing out 2 contracts long here. Three contracts, 3 minutes long here. Adding some more for my funded seat. If this is getting rejected here and we are continuing our downtrend, I have to be out of this. And you guys know that, but I switched towards micros for just 50k ones. Even the 150,000 at some point on YRM, I used to trade only micros and it was working really well. If you guys remember, it was working really well. This is so close to getting funded, $200 more. Oh yeah, come on. We gotta bring this up to 106. We're gonna sell a contract there, another contract there. Probably this candle that just opened. I'm DCing, yeah. And I'm out here. 106.80 bucks, guys. Finally, we passed the evaluation. Celebration time. That's a big one. 6% on this 100,000. Celebration time, guys. This is going to be a daily payouts account on the funded stage once we're sitting above the buffer. Boom. This is a tap on futures account. We're trading it on Trade-O-Vate. Boom, guys. We're going to have this one funded. Oh, yeah. What about our trade here? Stop loss break even. Celebration time. Celebration time. Video with Bolt is going to be published on Sunday or Saturday during the weekend. How many accounts do I trade simultaneously? Usually I do 3 accounts or 5 accounts, but most of the time not copy trading. Most of the time, especially my Lucid. What would I suggest for 150,000 starting with a single mini? It's perfectly fine with a single mini on 150,000. It's fine. It's fine. You're not over leveraged with that. Obviously, careful with the opening, right? First few minutes of the opening, even a single mini could scare you away. You guys have to understand that in terms of the sizing, every single psychology and person has a possibility to digest in terms of P&Ls, unrealized P&Ls. And these possibilities of digesting a $3,000 loss or a $2,000 loss or a $3,000 profit depends on our abilities, psychological abilities that must be trained. And this is the point I wanted to reach with this discussion. It doesn't matter the level you're at the moment. It matters that you have to train to become better on not getting scared when you make money and get out quickly. So that money you're making should not have such pressure to convince you just because you're under heavy pressure of the money you've got, unrealized loss or unrealized profit, needs to be in your control, guys. And this is totally on a psychology side. That's where it is. So, depends on your psychology, the numbers you can digest. You have to trade values and numbers you're not feeling bothered about. And they're not actively affecting you in a radical way for you to make emotional decisions. I'm testing out along here, guys, with 30 micros. And I'm going to long it on my YRM too. We have a great account here on YRM, instant funded, sitting on 153. This is on minis, more minis. And this one is with micros. I'm out here, lovely, 598, lovely. Plus some money over here too, out 920 for YRM, beautiful guys. 598 for the 50,000 funded seat, plus on the minis we made another, right? So 598 on micros and 136 on minis. Celebration time. There you go. What a beautiful day, guys. What a beautiful day. For Volumetrica, you know, if you change the assets, you don't see the P&Ls you made on different assets. Right, so if we switch towards micros, we see a different value than minis. Yes. My heart is like this because of cognac. You don't blame me for this, blame the cognac. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. We have no losses today. Why would I? I mean, our accidentally, we're continuing to make money. Accidentally. And the way it is, it is. I mean, it is what it is. We still got to do some money here, but that's going to be... we have like $700 made for today. We're fine with that. We're not going to make more. We're fine with that. So, sufficient money made on all the accounts from FundedSeat. 4 on 150,000 and 5 of 50,000. 9 accounts traded to the targets. Testing out a little long here, even though it's risky. 4 minutes long on my YRM. It's risky, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna put a stop loss there. Yeah, we touch it. And obviously we're gonna... Unbelievable. They wiped me out. And I'm going very aggressively right now. 7 minis long. $317 for my target. 7 minis long, max contracts. Stop loss right below that wick. And we're sitting back and watching this. Oh my God. Are we gonna get lucky on this one? Very unlikely, right? Oh yeah, we touch it. Beautiful. Let me open up Quant Tower. And now it's running. Look at that price action, guys. Tell me if this is not scam and they're not watching me. Tell me that they're not watching me. Tell me that they're not watching me. I'm gonna go max contracts on the opening of the new candle. Max contracts. Long. Yeah. Let's have another trade of 8. Top 1 futures 5 minutes long trade here. Let's have another account towards funded. $2.90. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to have you onboarded. We have a lovely day as usually. You guys like this scene? You guys like that? Look at that. We're printing. Boom. I'm going to sell 5 contracts on 320s for my Tap 1 futures. I'm going to fully close out here so we touch break even and get out of my trades. Get out of my trades here on all of them. Out. Should have been better. These are evaluations. You see what's happening with this price action. I'm out from here too. 196. Happy Thursday. We're not going to do any generous donation to the markets. Not over leveraging with confidence. But tell me this is not holding nicely on that algo line. Tell me, guys, you don't like it. This is not looking bad at all for the longs. Not trading at all anymore on FundedSeat today. We got all the 9 accounts heavily profitable. Especially the 150,000 being just $1,500 away from being funded. But then this one You know, I'm very happy we passed an evaluation today on Tap-on-Futures. There is a lot to go. I want to have my 5th flex, guys, on Lucid. I want to have my 5th flex so bad on Lucid. I want to cash out the next round from 5 accounts. Yeah, 366 daily VWAP, sitting there and waiting. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna test out along from right now. Pretty much everywhere. Let's see if we can get some juice. Not gonna be easy. But I like it for the moment. We're gonna have that lovely take profit there. A beautiful take profit here as well. I think we touched the take profit. Yes, 1,635, guys. And we're going to get out of my trade of A2 as well. Out 1,417. So that's a $3,000 profit in about 15 seconds. There you go, guys. We don't have losses at all today. 0 losses today. Let's just break it down. 9 accounts traded in profit to my targets on FundedSeat. 1 account on YRM to my target. 1 account we traded by passing the evaluation on Trade-O-Vate for Tap-on-Futures. And 1 more making 1,417 fresh evaluation here. How do I decide? Usually the first one that appears, that's going to be the parent account. Without any other criteria. So simply, just randomly, you can go, or the first one that appears, or randomly, you go with parent account. Usually, all the accounts that I'm copy trading are in a same situation, fresh, and with the same purpose, with the same strategy, and with the same methodology. That's the only way you can do it this way, properly. Haven't got into longs on my flexes, on the evaluation flexes here. And we still have Savius, guys. Not to forget Savius running massive discounts. Massive, unbelievable discounts. 70% off. 70. We have instant funding of 6,000. Yeah, 6,000 drawdown. Priced at, you know, 200 so. Let me drop you the links for Savius. You got to be part of our community for that. Better than anyone. We gotta keep the economy moving with this trades. Oh yeah, look at that. I like that big belly account. We got to do our $250 on it. Lucid is obviously the best prop firm by far in the space, dominating everything. Oh yeah. How legit is this double top on 5 minute? Look at this one, guys. How legit? Sustainable. If we work around the golden pocket applied to the structure, then I wouldn't mind the price action to revisit the 70s and then bounce from the 70s, creating a proper higher low. I wouldn't mind that. Market opening price action prediction is 0. It's not a prediction, it is a guess with the opening. Yes. Sold 3 minis from here, shorted on my trade of 8, 3 minis. We haven't started the giveaways yet. Make sure to join. Sign up the form. The giveaways will happen on the live stream. Adding 2 more contracts to this. We're sitting out at 5 minutes short. We might have to wick above this whole thing, and then we could potentially retrace. We'll see. We have a 5-minute algo getting triggered soon, right before the opening, and that's going to be in a few seconds. Let's see, guys. Oh yeah, lovely. I'm out of this. And I'm going to be out of this one too. Look at that one, guys. We're printing juice. I'm out of all these trades. I'm out. We made like $3,000 on 5 accounts, guys. Oh my god. Boom. $3,000 on 5 accounts. You didn't even observe that. It's absurd, right? Boom. Oh my gosh. I told you. Big money out here. 3,000. We have to lose a little bit. It's more than we need for the trade of 8. That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. Let's lose some money here. We should not cross 2,800. So I'm gonna long it. $2,875. 2,714. Beautiful. Lovely full consistency. Lovely, guys. Great. That's a great performance. So 3,000 bucks in this account. 3,600 here. 4,500 on this one. 3,500 here. 4,000 here. And 3,100 here. I'm getting ready, guys. I don't even need more than one. But you know, it's always great to have evaluations that are past ready to transform them into funded. It's always good to have. I'm working towards that. These are all Lucid flexes of 150,000. We don't have losses today, do we? We traded 6 accounts here on Lucid. 6. Plus 2 on TradeOvate. That's 8. Plus 9 on FundedSeat. That's 17 totally. Plus 1 on YRM. 18. So we have 18 out of 18 profits today. 18 out of 18. Market opens in 2 minutes. Thank you, guys. Look at that golden pocket. I'm gonna switch over Savius right now. Switch over Savius. Yes, 5 allowed with FundedSeat, yes. 5 funded. We had to grab fresh accounts on Savius. 3 of 150,000 fresh ones were starting today. Made a mistake last time. And bad things happened. But we are just 200, slightly more than 200 bucks, guys. For 150,000 with 6,000 bucks drawdown on Savius. That's crazy. Copy trading 3 accounts here. Market opens in 10 seconds. There you go, guys, with the opening bell. Best of luck, everyone. I'm testing out along here a single contract. A single contract. Can't be that bad, right? It can't be that bad. A single contract. I traded 9 FundedSeat. 9. There are challenges. You can have unlimited challenges. I like this. So you right now have a live example of the way you can trade the opening with a single mini. I'm DCing 2 minis here. I'm out for the moment. 677 profit. 677 profit. That's going to be a fireworks, guys. That's beautiful. Because of the consistency, we shouldn't cross more than 1,500. 677 profit. I'm gonna still trade this account. Butter knife. Serious bait for a rip, exactly. Even, by the way, the price action was driven right before the opening. That's why we've longed it there. Giveaway during the live stream once we finish trading. Usually in the next minutes. In the next hour. In the next hour sometime, depends. But when we finish trading, that's when the giveaways happen. At T40s. Yeah, that's great. You might want to hold around that. Because we're bouncing really nicely on the golden pocket here, guys. Really nicely, I can tell you. Oh. I can assure you this is bouncing really nicely. Oh yeah, quantum, beautiful, exactly. I heard that. He's the best CEO by far. AG from Lucid is the best CEO by far. Every time we had a call, it was top notch. What a bait, guys. What a bait for the shorts. They got wrecked. It's ripping. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We must hit 190 likes. 190 likes. AC got his penguin. I'll be testing out a short from here. You want to call me crazy by doing that. But I'm doing a single mini. And I'm going to be out quickly. I'm out here. We made 200 bucks. That's the way you scalp, guys. 200 bucks. Whenever you're scalping in a risky situation by trading against the dominant energy, but you have a very interesting spot, I did not expect a fresh candle that opened not to have a wick downwards. That's why I got into exactly the very moment it opened. So the idea is when you're trading, there's trades that you're having the ability to expect more from them. Be more demanding. So have a higher level of demandingness from certain trades that are following the momentum of the markets. But there's also trades that are against the momentum at different segments that you should not be having such a high demand. So the demandingness and the expectations you should set must be put in a context. If your target is 500 bucks, there is no correlation between the very next trade you do and your $500 target. The target you have is a financially and psychologically target. The take profit is a whole different thing. The level you set your take profit is a whole different thing. Even just by desiring to get that target, it is not going to be sufficient for the market to offer it. It is not sufficient, right? Most of the time, the market is not paying attention to our desires pretty much at all. Pretty slow in payouts, exactly. But is having the cheapest evaluations, really cheap instant funding too. I don't think so. 3,700 non-stop. Probably there's going to be some pump today in the markets. Probably. I think we touched the trending resistance line here. I've talked about early on my stream. Weekly opening 415. One of my targets. But we touched the daily VWAP right now on the 353s. So, not to be radically wondering why is this pulling down. I'm testing a short here, guys. Just a single contract. Because we might see this one bouncing. Yeah, there you go. I'm out here. I'll take that loss. 300 bucks. Yes, quantum, exactly. Getting obsessed about the value you are expecting to earn, being $10 short, and getting ready to lose the account just to prove it. Just to prove it. It's a very interesting reaction we've got there once again. Sometimes it is easier to make $1,000 than $10. And you should have some responses to that. You want to brainstorm that, guys. Why is it like that? Needs to have a proper answer before you start trading. And it always needs to be reminded. There's always some extra money to be made. There's also a great way, basically, not to get fixated about and go with the momentum. You've made money. You had some good trades. Just accept whatever you have without paying too much attention on the value. I'm shorting this one. It's risky. But I'm going for a couple of points. I don't believe in a double rejection here. That's the reason I'm shorting. I don't believe in a double rejection here. 3 minis. I've added a little more. I don't think we're going to have a double rejection here. I think it's going a little bit lower. A double rejection here would be unbelievable. I don't need the next candle, guys. The next candle could be ugly. I want this candle to go deeper. Oh my gosh. That 330s is putting buying pressure. I don't like it. Bring it down. Come on. I'm out here. Beautiful. We're 1,100. Beautiful. Found that, guys. 1,100 profit. Look at that. The pressure is there. These are 3 Savius accounts that we're trading. Fresh 3 Savius of 150,000 instant funded. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day on this ones. Let me get back to my Lucid. So 3 more here. We were having 18. You guys remember? We're counting 18 accounts profit. 18 out of 18 plus the 3. 21 out of 21 traded today is profit. 21 out of 21. 0 losses today. That must be fun, right? That must be fun today. And we're going to do some big belly accounts trading. Enjoy the time and have some fun with those, right? I think we have another, yeah. We have one more tap on futures account evaluation. Let's trade this one too. I'm making a video with Savius and publishing next week. You're gonna discover the way it works. 5% target, cheapest instant funding, but the daily loss limit is a hard breach. You guys will see everything next week when we have no streaming because I'm on holiday. We're gonna have more videos posted. That's a heavy movement, and I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, I'll be right back. Back in 2 minutes. Perhaps you might just want to see this. Back in 2 little minutes. Thank you once again. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We must hit 190 likes. Remember that. Oh. 21 out of 21 accounts traded. Remember that. 21 out of 21 today. Traded out in profits. Oh my gosh, what happened, guys? What happened there? What happened there? Wow. Time to trade the big belly accounts. 10 minis. 10 minis and the big belly accounts. 2,000 bucks profit, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. I'm running the show today. Look at the engine, guys. I'm running the show today with this one. You certainly have to watch, guys. The stream, I'm running the show. Savius has been online since 2022. March $10,000 profit. Look at that one, guys. Call me crazy for doing this kind of trading. Where's 12AC telling me I'm clicking randomly? 12AC, show up, man. What Scrambo does during, look at that 12AC, randomly clicking. This is a glitch, right? What have you done there? Put me on an engine like this. Draw me an engine like this. Look at it. Have something like this. At YRM, people getting paid very slow. Very, very slow. Brother Jake is not here. He says I'm randomly clicking. Unbelievable. 15 grand profits. You guys want to see how this whole thing is running back to all-time high, me having 10 minis open? Oh my gosh, 15 grand profits. Oh my gosh. Yes, you can lock yourself out on FundedSeat. Let me show you that. This is what's happening in our Discord. But the thing is, this is how you lock yourself out. So you go into your dashboard area. Dashboard area, top left corner, dashboard, right there. And once sitting in the dashboard area, you have the daily lock here, daily lockout. And you click on that, you confirm it. And that's it. You can also edit your risk, have a daily loss, daily profit, weekly loss, weekly profit. Inhibit changes until next session. Set as default for the trading rule challenge. Lovely, right? You got all the things needed to be fully disciplined. Are they taking this one down on me? Trading is not bad. $10,000, $20,000 profit here. We have 21 out of 21 accounts, Jake, today. It's record. 21 out of 21 accounts profit today. And the current 2 trades is next to those 21. So it would be 23. Where's the train? Giveaway didn't start it yet. It will start soon. Do you guys want to see how Scramble is not going to get scared out, not shitting my pants when I lose $10,000 from my unrealized, not shitting my pants. Look at that. Market is going above the high. We've been started trading in 2014. So at this point we can randomly click. You can't tell me the entry I had on a falling knife. That's the way they call it in a popular way, right? Falling knife. Oh my god, do not trade a falling knife. Do not do that. Look at that. How simple, guys. $23,000, $24,000, 10 minis on a so-called scary falling knife. Oh my gosh, probably gotta get out of this. I don't like this candle. Depends how we close out on this candle. Depends. But I don't like it for the moment. And I like that double digits, 20,000. We're gonna see how we close on this candle. Oh, you see? I told ya. It's not looking good. Let's see the next candle, the way it opens. If this one becomes red, I'm gonna be out. Yeah, I'll be out here. We have a silly price action today, I'm telling you, but we might be able to buy lower. It's still 13,755. I told you at that time I don't like that candle, and I'm waiting for... Enjoy, guys. You have to enjoy for the profits you made. Certainly not dream and desire for things that are untouchable. You guys want to see this 5-minute candlesticks that we have here and tell me how do you expect me not to be happy in this price action structure? Exactly. That's a very good strategy. That's a very good strategy, 12AC. How dare exposing my strategy like that? Futures trading. Maybe 2 years, maybe. If we add up the crypto trading that I've been doing, maybe. Two years of daily trading. I had some going around in 2020, 2021. Some crypto leverage, wild things. And then stopped. And resumed with the props in 2025. What do you think about an entry here? Is it too nasty? 10 minis long here. 10 minis long on the other one too. Let's see if this is too nasty. Come on, do something special. Ha ha ha, it's already $4,000, $5,000. Oh my gosh, this is another random clicking. Oh my gosh. I could easily sell. But you see, I'm targeting 50 grand, 60 grand, 70 grand today. And this is eventually going down. I'm telling you, this is eventually going down. And I'm going to end up in a red P&L. $30 seconds in advance. Probably about a minute. To be honest with you, about a minute. But I'm very slow on my mind. This is the firm. Someone is asking me, which firm are the big accounts with? Crazy Khalid. We're trading $400,000 account from Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex $400,000 accounts. They were extremely cheap, discounted big time. We got them at 50% off. So let me see David's question. 450. So David is asking me a question, guys. Let me focus. Is this another random bottom tick entry? Can you guys? So let me answer David. David. What's your drawdown there? What's your drawdown? It's, you know, it's a fresh 50k and you have 1,650 max loss drawdown. You guys like this entry? Bottom tick. So the two entries we had with 10 minis on both big belly accounts were bottom tick, right? What are the chances for someone to do bottom tick entries by randomly clicking with nonsense? I do randomly click with sense. That's a different thing. But without sense, what are the chances, guys? It's like winning the duck race with 500 participants, back-to-back winners. That's right, David. Look at that silly draw. We should have been. That's a very highly, I'm gonna go break even. Wow. I'm break even on both accounts. That's such a silly candle we have right now. Dropping 60 points, 50 points on me. One of the trades touched the break even. Two packs of gummy bears. You want to go with it. You want to go with it. Look at that. What a price action today. Two bottom tick entries that are revisited by market makers is the massive disadvantage for live streaming. You guys can confirm how live streamers are getting attacked by the market makers. Oh my gosh. There you go. You guys want to see the wicks we have on the 5-minute candles? Wow, look at that. Those yellow lines are pretty special today, right? Why there is no acceptance above it? Afuera. Afuera. It's a glitch. with only a 4,500 drawdown, Mr. Smith. Only a 4,500 drawdown. So even if I lose 50 accounts of 4,500 drawdown, 50. That's 200k. I'm still profitable. You guys think we have a new low today coming out soon? And these guys are gonna get cooked here, relonging the whole thing? I'm having a hard time deciding. I'm having a very, very hard time. Safe and Secure is back on the giveaways. He's safe and secure, guys, and filled up the form. Now, where are we here? You like my engine? We got 20 what? 23 out of 23 today, guys. 23 out of 23 today. Safe and Secure is asking the community, can you tell me what is the benefit in too much increase profit this account? No idea. Don't trust anyone. Oh my gosh. Let's see what kind of toys do we have here. A little glass for champagne. Little glass for champagne, guys. I'm safe and secure with that account, exactly. Thank you. Whoever needs champagne, we've got a little glass here from the kids throwing around toys. What else do we have, guys? We have a bowl. We got this one. The reason why we're highly performing is because I have this. I got this, guys. I got this, so I'm highly performed by bottom tick trading. 23 out of 23 today, performing. You can't blame it. We're gonna start our giveaway soon. We're gonna start our giveaway soon. Zero. You see, I told you about a new low possibility. I'm gonna long it there. 164 is the low. We only have to undercut. And I'm in with 10 minis. Can we? Can we undercut here? Lovely. We're 10 minis long. Now watch $10,000 in less than 2 minutes. Look at that. 4,000. I could get out here and it's over. So watch 10,000 in less than 2 minutes. Watch, we're already 5,000. I could get out here and it would be nice, right? Is this another bottom tick entry? 12 VC, can you confirm that? We're probably going to leave this trade open for the next 3 hours. I'd like to see how this 5-minute behaves. This one should give us a lovely rejection, guys. We should close this 5-minute. Oh, above the Asian session, above the previous low, and we're looking nice, right? Right, we're looking nice. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Oh, it's not going to be easy to confirm that pressure. But we're going to leave it here. Old Scrambo on Discord? Damn silly Kendall. Oh, yeah. Wow. You must enjoy the P&L. Another bottom tick. 6,000. Maybe more than 2 minutes for that 10,000 I was talking. We're doing the giveaways very soon, guys. Let's just have another 5 minutes. Funny time. Another 5 minutes funny time. Bear with me, guys. We've got 4 accounts of giveaway. 175. We got a new thumbnail for our video. 21,000 bucks. Where are you, AC? We have another bottom tick entry. Where are you with the profits? Look at that. Where are you? Oh. What's the account size? You see it on the top right corner. Why would you be down 14,000 when we are 23 accounts out of 23 in profit today? The only thing you should have done is to listen. Look at that move. We should be running aggressively, guys, here. Not like a sniper, but like a gambler. Come on, rush. We're going all the way to the top, guys. We're going all the way to the tops. You see the way those lows are grabbed and the instant reaction? That's juice. Look at that. Have a look into the lows we have and the reactions. Time to do 50,000 in this total P&L, not only in this trade alone. Oh. Look at that. 18 grand, 16, 17 grand. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. So you've seen all the entries we had today. With 10 minis. At places, they would all say, oh my god, do not do entry here. This is a falling knife. Oh my god. You see? 40,000 bucks. Where's Jake? Casual trades, bottom tick entries. Lucid Flex, yes. Lucid Flex has brand new product. Muhammad, Lucid Flex has brand new products. 450,000 in the account. Brand new 450k accounts. I got them on a Christmas discount. Yeah. I got them back in the day in December. Massive promotion in December. They had $450,000 accounts. 60% off back in the day. Near Christmas time. We were down a little bit for the past months on the account, but we've successfully recovered. Right now we're slightly in profit. I did bottom tick the entries 3 different times. 3 different times. That's lovely, Badger. Down 22,000. Oh my gosh. Top tick the exit. I'm still leaving this one open. We're gonna exit probably around the 340s, 350s. Right? 340s, 350s. That's the place I'd like to get out. Oh my gosh. Summer holiday is gone for 12 AC. Counter trading me. Just like the brokers, right? You get all these companies trading against their clients. This is the way 12 AC is doing with me, guys. Muhammad, you're not able to find this plan? What do you mean by that? Muhammad, what do you mean you're not able to find this plan on Lucid? Did you verify? You have to... What do you mean joking? Let me show you the account. What do you mean joking? Let me show you. Here's the account. Here's the account, buddy. What do you mean? Here's the account. Look at that. Have a look at the max loss limit and you will see the size of the account. Have a look at the max loss minimum account balance. It says right there on the bottom side. Minimum account balance. On the bottom side. Here. Minimum account balance. You guys are driving me crazy today. You guys are driving me crazy today. Oh my gosh. We're gonna get started with the giveaways very, very soon. We're not closing this straight out. There is no reason. There is a supply here, but we're gonna break out. I'm just speculating, guys. I have no idea. Look at that. But then we're going to sell 5 contracts here. Yeah, I sold 5 contracts. Sold 5 contracts from this too. And I'm putting a trailing right below the wick. Even for this one, right below the wick. If it reverses from here, I'm out and I'm going to buy cheaper. I'm not going to trade probably anymore, actually. It's 40,000. Yeah, let's just fully get out of both. Yeah, 40,000. Look at that one, guys. Celebration time. Come on. You want to celebrate with me and have a nice drink, guys. Have a nice drink. Have a nice salute. 40,000 bucks profit by bottom tick trading today. 3 different times. You want to watch the live stream and see... Well, what happens there? Why is that trade running? There you go. We're out. We had a pending order. We had a pending order. So... We're going in vacation on Monday. We're going in vacation earlier, actually. Saturday. So no streaming next week. But let me look into something. Today was an amazing day. I like to look into something. You guys want me to... You guys want me to give you a 150,000 Lucid Flex because of the way we've done today? Tell me. You guys want me to give you 150,000 Lucid Flex in today's giveaway surprise? Tell me. Yes or no? $150,000 Lucid Flex today. What do you guys think about? We have 23 out of 23 accounts in profit today. If you feel the account is too much pressure, I can do 50k. If you feel it's too much pressure, tell me, guys. If you feel it's too much pressure, I can do 50k. You want to join the giveaway? How about this 400 ones? Oh my gosh. So I think we're gonna do 150,000 flex today, guys. The 400k account is only available for sale during Christmas time. Oh my gosh, 12 AC. So funny, man. Alright, so let's see what's happening here. We gotta see what's happening here. So where's the Lucid? This one, guys. Let me show you which one. This one. Flex 150,000. Oh. Flex 150,000. I'm closing my Quant Tower. Game over. Game over. So what we need the will, we need the ducks, and we need Formalo. We're gonna do some juicy games, some heavy games out there. So, everyone make sure, let me tell you how you participate, how do you join, and what you gotta do. Remember, Scramble coupon code maximum discount at any point on the prop firms we're Lucid, YRM, Savius, Top 1, FundedSeat, all this stuff, right? So, besides the X maximum discount, you also get the luckiness that I have by randomly clicking back and forth, just like 12AC says. Therefore, watch out, guys, watch out. First giveaway will have 2 accounts. First giveaway will have 2 accounts. We'll have a Top 1 futures. First will be Top 1 futures. $25,000 Ignite account. And second will be a I'm going to explain you soon how does the giveaway works. Second one will be a 50,000 YRM. So we're sharing 75 grand in this one. Beautiful. So how do you participate, guys? How you participate? You make sure to complete the form. Everyone, go out there, complete the form I pasted in the chat. Then like the video you're watching right now. Like this video. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Keep that in mind. 8 a.m. EST time. Live trading. Green tea. As usually. There you go, cheers everyone. I'm gonna have different drinks coming out soon. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, mandatory conditions, and then sign up on the form below. You have to complete the form with the name you are writing the number. Otherwise, you're gonna be in trouble. So watch out, guys. Watch out for the numbers. You have to guess the number between the entries I'm gonna put out. Today is gonna be between 0 and 8 for this account. So you can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Just a single choice per person. Guess a single number. Come on, guys. Start right now. Between 0 and 8. We're sharing 2 accounts in this one. Guess the number. A single choice per person. The next giveaway is going to be the Lucid Flex 150,000, the next one. For real. For real, guys. Oh, oh, oh. What a streaming today. 23 out of 23 accounts profitable. That's unbelievable. You enter the giveaway by completing the form. Complete a form. Like the video, be subscribed to our channel, join our Discord. These are the mandatory conditions. Only a single number per person. There's a lot of you that are guessing multiple numbers. It's not going to be counted. Only your first choice is counted. Look at that. A ton of guys here completing random numbers. Stop right there. No more guess, it's over. The form is here, pinned in the chat. That's the form. It's in the chat, pinned. Plus on our Discord. Shuffle. Right, so we're gonna give some of the guys some little timeouts here right now. Best of luck, guys. Probably this is going to be number one. Number one for the winners. You did hit your number two. Well, be right here for the next giveaway. It's going to be the flex one. Number one for the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations. Look at that. Only 13. Only 13. Can you imagine having a duck race with 13? And there's two guys winning. 30 seconds competition, Tom. I told you the first one and the second one. First one is going to be $25,000 Ignite account, instant funded from Tap1Futures. And the second one will have a 50,000 YRM. Next giveaway will be a 150,000 Lucid Flex. Vanny plus Vanny. There you go, congratulations. Anil Kumarv. Vanny and Anil Kumarv. Congratulations, guys. You got this one. But we're going to verify if you did fill up the form. Did you? Vanny. Where are you, Vanny? Where are you, Vanny? You didn't fill up the form. You did not participate, Vanny. You did not participate. Look at that one. Unfortunately, you didn't sign up for the giveaway. Yeah, we can see you filled, right? You can also see no responses found. That's what I'm doing. And that's what you can see. Unfortunately, you didn't fill. You didn't fill in the right way. You didn't participate. Anik. Anilk. Anilk. You're probably going to be the first ranked. Anilk. You're not here. Where are you? This guy is not here. Kumar. Let me see by the other name. Kumar. He's not here. The second one is not here too. Look at that. We're continuing, guys. Alan. Alan is here, so Alan is the first winner. Alan is the first winner, receiving the Tap1Futures $25,000 instant funding account from Ignite, and Olo on the 4th. Olo. Olo. Look at that. 12AC is having a chuku name. Olo. Congratulations. Did you forget your bots active, Jake? Look at that. No one reminds you. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Continuing, guys, with the big account. 150,000 Lucid Flex. This is what we're going to do. 150,000 Lucid Flex. You see, we've announced 150k Lucid Flex and people not even filling up the form. So we're going to have two different numbers with multiple entries. Listen up, guys. Two different numbers, but three different entries. So we're going to have it like this. A single number 2 and double 7. You can start right now. Start right now, guys. Let's go. A single number 2 and a double 7. Let me know your best choice. Come on. This is 150,000 Lucid Flex. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, 150,000 Lucid Flex. What a massive day we had. Massive day. A single number 2 with a double 7. You gotta be quick, guys. 2 more seconds. And we stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses, it's over. Hope you got it. Hope you got it, guys. We're gonna shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. It's not gonna be number 2. It's not gonna be number 2. That's gonna be a blue number 7. That's gonna be the blue number 7, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Stop right there. Blue number 7. Congratulations for the winners. 66% chance. Oh my gosh. Exactly. Number 7 for the winners. Congratulations. That was not difficult. 66% chance. Did you betray for the 7, Jake? Or did you get your bots making it through with 7? This is 150,000 flex, guys. I think we're going to have a ton of winners. And multiple rounds. Look at that. 159. $159. 161 totally. You guys will compete for 2 minutes. Because I have to think away. For who's qualifying second round. Oh my gosh. So who's going to qualify second round is the big question, guys. Listen up. The 2nd, the 4th, the 6th, the 8th, the 10th, plus the last, plus rank 100. These are all the guys that qualify the second round. OG Trader, you gotta fill up the form. It's pinned in the chat. Join our Discord, like the video, be subscribed. Streaming from 8 AM every single day with giveaways and live streaming. So, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, the last, and rank 100. These are the guys that will qualify second round for 150,000 Lucid Flex we're giving out. 150k Lucid Flex. Who's the Batman? Look at a Scrambo with a mask. With a Pampers. Who's gonna play is number 100? 4th. I mean 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, last, and 100. These are the one that will qualify. Oh my gosh. It has to be that specific position. Think about winning this race and not receiving anything. Who is going to win? Punisher. Unfortunately, Punisher. You got this. Punisher. Oh my gosh, Punisher. Look at that. Oh. And here we are. Here we are. With a first list. Here we are with a first list. 2nd, Baxter. 4th, Adden. 6th, Amid. 8th, Elliot Bungard. 10th, Trade Max. We still have one more giveaway after this. Punisher. got punished a little. Who's ranked number 100? Alien. Alien is on the 100. That's crazy. Look at the Alien. How crazy is that one, guys? And who's the last right now? Cabrera is the last. Can you believe that, buddy? Look at that. Cabrera is the last. 161, Cabrera. That's crazy. We have one more giveaway after this. Cabrera is the last. Time to verify. And build a list. Cabrera. Yes, you filled up the form. There's a long list. 100. Alien. I assume you're here. Yes. 10. Trade max. Yes. Elliot. Yes. Amid. Yes. No one is missing. 150,000 flexes. Adam. Adam Joseph. Yes. Baxter. Cabrera is the last. Beautiful. So we got the 7 winners. Everyone is on the list. But we're gonna double up the list. So 14. 1 minute competition time. Take your pills. Take your pills, guys. You don't want to have a heart attack. Look at that. Who's winning, guys? 150,000 Lucid Flex. You know who's winning? Second ranked. Attention, please. Second ranked is winning. Second ranked. The first ranked is not getting anything. Second ranked. Second ranked. Second. So who's going to be second is the lovely question. Someone is going to speed up, guys. When there's 6 seconds to go, someone is going to speed up. Second ranked because it's closer to that first. Second ranked. Oh my gosh, who's coming in? Oh, look at that. Cabrera. Oh! You missed that. Amid, you're the first. But Cabrera, I guess you were so close. And me on the second too. That's crazy. What are the chances, guys? Look at that. What were the chances? This guy to be first and the second out of 12. Look at that. Can you believe that? No way. There's no way. First and second, the same guy. This is the luckiest guy. It's not fair. Amid, if you want, I can rerun. Oh my gosh. Crazy odds. Think about it. With Cabrera being so close, look at that. Let's measure, guys, here. Look at that. We have to measure. We're gonna use a VAR, Virtual Assistant Referee, like at football, soccer. We're gonna go by the purple line here and use a VAR. Oh yeah, look at that. I think the purple one, the purple one is in front. The purple one is in front, right? Look at that, guys. Am I lying? We're looking at the offside. The purple one is leading. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, beautiful. We have one more giveaway, guys. One more giveaway. Amid. We're gonna verify, Amid. Listen up. We're gonna verify everything. If you have everything correct, I will see. Now it's time for FundedSeat 50,000. Last giveaway for today. FundedSeat 50,000. We already did YRM. Last giveaway for today. FundedSeat 50,000 flex. We already did YRM today. $50,000 FundedSeat flex. Last giveaway. Nice one. For how many seconds is it nice? The extra was, Adam. The extra was the 150,000 flex. So listen up. We're gonna have between 0 to 5. You can guess right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 to 5. Drop me a message on Discord. You joined the giveaway by filling up the form. The form is pinned in the comments area, or it's right there on our Discord. You got to participate in the giveaway, so you have to sign up the link. You got to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. These are the mandatory conditions. Between 0 and 5, guess the number. One choice per person. Do not guess multiple times. 12 AC, are you insisting with number 2? Bellissima, ragazzi. Ragazzi. It's not gonna be number 2. Jake Virus got you. He got you, ragazzi. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Get your own number 2 religion. Jake is not welcoming you. Good luck, everyone. Let's just spread. Best of luck, guys. $12 ACDC. Oh, look at that. I think it's going to be the yellow number 2, guys. I think it's going to be the yellow number 2. I mean, that's how I set my pedal. Am I right? I told you 20 seconds ago. Look at that. You can't call this unrigged. It is. It is rigged. I told you a while ago. It's number 2. And you're still not believing this is rigged, right? Congratulations for the winners. Finally. Who's going to win a 50,000 flex from FundedSeat? Who's going to win? $39 lovely traders. Let's just go with a sec race, guys. Let's go sec race. I know 12 AC is good at a sec race. We're going to do sec race. 1 minute sec race. That's going to be wild. Just bring down the volume. There you go. Best of luck, guys. Look at that one. Look at that one. 12AC is good at this. Oh my gosh. The best ranked is winning. Rank number 1 is winning 50,000 flex. You're not there, of course. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. Who's speeding up? Pine. Oh, look at a pine. Congratulations, look at a pine. There you go, Pine. Jake is not even top 10. Pine made it. Did you fill up the form, buddy? Pine. Yes. Pine 369. 50,000 funded seat flex account. Congratulations. Where is your ranking? Badger is on the 18th. Much better than Jake. 12AC 26. Jake is not here. Jake is the last. Jake is the last, and I was so close saying the last is winning, Jake. Wow, look at that. Jake is the last. And I was so close saying Jake is winning. Wow. You were so close. You were so close. Jake is going to rewatch this streaming 20 times. That's totally rigged. You're going to rewatch if I said the last one or the first one? I can't remember right. Indeed. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day at trading today. Huge day. Huge one. Lovely bottom tick entries. 23 out of 23 accounts profitable today. 0 losses. Probably it's a glitch. We're gonna find it out tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely and a beautiful day out there. Oh my gosh. Some good pizza in the Grozny. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day, guys. Continuing tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow, the last giveaway before I leave on holidays. The whole next week is going to be holidays. Have a beautiful day.